So you want to go into CapCut. You want to click on New Project. You want to get a clip. So let's just do, we can do this Bryce Harper clip. Here's Bryce Harper clip. So you want to go click on the video. You want to go all the way over to adjust. You want to go to graphs. You want to just repeat what I'm doing on each one. Uh-oh, I skipped one. I got to reset it. Hold on. Just make sure it's just like that. Okay. So here's that. Next, you want to go to effects, video effects. You want to find blur. And then you want to put the blur on. Why does my phone have no vibration on that? What the heck? Okay, you want to put the blur on 36. Export. Okay, now you're going to click on the video, delete what you just did. Okay, now you're going to go to overlay. Click on that overlay. You want to go to, no, not overlay. You want to go to burn. You want to put it on 70. And then you want to go into stock videos, get a white. Uh-oh. What the heck did I just do? You want to get a white overlay. And then boom. There's your 4K quality, guys. There's your 4K quality. Hope it helps.